Welcome to qnawire.
First, if the birdhouse is halfway between them, we want to find the midpoint. To find the midpoint, we want to add the x-coordinates together and take half. That'll be the middle. And add the y-coordinates together and take half, which would be -4 plus 10 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. And 4 plus -2 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. So 3, 1 is the middle. So it should be the same distance from 3, 1 to either of those other 2 points. Let me take point A, -4, 4. Use the distance formula with -4, 4 and the midpoint to find the length between the two. So the distance formula is the square root of the difference of your x-coordinates, 3 and -4, squared, plus the difference of your y-coordinates, 1 and 4, squared. 3 minus -4 is 7. 7 squared is 49. 1 minus 4 is -3. Squared is +9. And 49 plus 9 is 58. So we want to find the square root of 58, which is 7.616, which, if each grid represents 100 feet, then you would just multiply this by 100, and you get about 762. So that is choice B.